Training Institute, skills for self-reliance.
Are you looking for a school where your child can grow, shine, and achieve their dreams? Welcome to Lucky Star Educational Center, where excellence begins. We offer top-quality education for learners from playgroup to grade 6, fully CBC compliant and designed to nurture every child's potential. At Lucky Star, your child enjoys modern computer studies with a fully equipped computer lab, chess, karate and swimming to enhance mental skills, discipline and swimming ability, safe and reliable school transport for all learners, affordable school fees, spacious and modern classrooms, highly trained, competent and dedicated teachers, a conducive learning environment, adequate teaching and learning materials for every class. Interviews and January admissions are ongoing. Enroll your child in a school that cares about their growth, confidence and future. Find us in Kisii Town, Jogoo area along the Kisii-Nyamira Highway opposite the Kenya Power Substation. For more information, call 071-524-5923 or 071-959-4048. Lucky Star Educational Center, a center of excellence.
Happy New Year mwanchumo ligerelia emarago bengi ya andonsi so to bwatrete ekerere ejumatatu entangani kegima so mutinyo yoiga omutangani so mwaka bwechiri bubere na 2025 nomo ninde no kwegena nga litukuli yago nigo lyabere litoera rukegima ekero tuyaliganiri boikiranu elito komanye onsi ayabere kago kolekana kuruchinsemo ao ime amona isiko yeliro bali agusi asenchira eyo boikiranu chinsa ibero mwanchumo ligerelia saransoike elinkoletere onsi ayagendrete gokolekana kuruchinsemo au ime amona isiko yeliro bali agusi nchoni gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto nigo toko bwateranere Wilson Makoli elikoyane kinga onsi ingogo ikirale asenchira yobo ikiranu konda litangani totarako yaletera asenchira yobo ikiranu aya negati yali to kwaleganeretie asemarago bayabono
Bane sukuru bona na no yokoline gali asebona igano yo moyo masengenjo besenjiyo jikoline rugali na besenjiyo montakora shopping yegera abana baende sukuru
emirobelyo yo kuigoro gwechi sukuru aseta mwentangani gochaka asechinsemo imeyense ya Kenya
Dora barai igeko gero barai bocholire nemesingi yo oborosobia igo bokorosia oburayi bukobo buya
obocholi bwaborokia bakupet gochigokoreka amatuka makale bosyo.
Even if they have problems, at least let them consult or talk to each other.
Abantu babiri gusiria magima abo ase chinchera chobotutukanu ime ya Nyamira South Sub-County. Mwanchumo ligerelia karibu elionkomanye ayagendrete gokolekana ayechinsa ibereni gotogo chaka kurwa ase sekta yechisemi ase omuriketo Daniel Onthiri agotomanye bunali tukolitangani magega yoko igoro gwechi skuru ime yo muchobosongo litukoli rero nigo abaiboli kuruchinsemo au bakolekana gose barorekana goichorerana ase chiduka chebitabu elikone kibunankonyorera bale abana babo ebitabu ebibago chigokolera amasomabo ngano nyono bosombi nigo bwarorekana koba bwekerengo ogense mono kolenganiwa na matuka magiga korende nigo babeire bakuboria eserikali enyare koba kego keya aligoririe bintu asekeribuna nigo aligoririe abere likogenda egesara na kuboria obogima abonyare koba bokworobigwa orobotio ruo nigo turwa baru kwariganiwa na Daniel Ontiri.
Etabauti na matukande rero asomo chobo songo mubaro waborokigwa bale kwire na chiskuru nigororekana gokea ase stage nene ya Kisii yarorekana koba kawaida asononya nabo mubaro bweboibuli ororekana koba igoro asichiduka chobonia bibinto bichiskuru egatia bibitabu nechi uniform
January yaikire abaibori bana ende twanyorete shocking kego kwa sababu ntu atenga sana on December abana bato minyoki sana igorechi ange chiawa chi 3D chwareta chi t-shirt neji jeans chiari chibesi abaibori sana abana batu achikobate bigore ana January nero tokamachiko sana na abana bono 3D chiba chiebete bono bachakira mangane school
ase bali bake bairenera amasomo abo gochakera litukulia lero kubolia ni kukwabekwa asa abantere bako maisa sichipara bunencheremo yogokeania imibasokano na gotoria magima
igongo saba abantere babonsi piase baeta ekere kwa igure kwarosire koranje naboko tebio yondago konye egere nto base kunya komeki chi accident chitaiyo asepara
asense mwende abaibuli ni warekana kolera okuborwa kwibituki kubwatekana no gokonga kwiriguriri bogima babulia aboroki ati babaisa goseria aboroka gochenka kubwatekana no bulemerwa we school fees.
Wanafunzi wakiingia kwa shule tafadhali walimu msifukuze wanafunzi. Kuna manamba za wazazi wetu wako siko kwa shule, tafadhali tupigie, isiwe tena mwanafunzi anafika shuleni tena anafukuzwa anarudishwa nyumbani mara tunampata anahangaika hapa town. Tujaribu kucommunicate
kwa sababu kwa ne kwarenge government erete buna chibasari echi mapema abaiburi baikigwa pra egere bakonye kase school fees wanoka getengo chagocha chire mapema egere abaiburi mbanyoro musigo
asense mwende sekta ya matatu babolia gokeligwa ligoliria maguta
jo abaiburi bandete kuligichi bese chikubagoirera abana sukuru wana no yokorine gari ase bona iga no yomoyo mase ngenjo bese njiyo jikorine rugari na bese njiyo monta akora shopping egera abana baende school
abantu mbatiri mbogete sana lakini torabara bagotira tima itingi kiabete igoto go sabana na abiria barenka baki nchumo ende Nairobi nchumo ira abana school na intu tonyore chibese chieno tutomera abana school
asense mwende okubolia ni gukwabekure gochase serikali koene kibona ligoli lia maguta lia keigwe unecheremo yokorobia obosombe hasi sektega ya matatu nkuripodiriga taseni kyagetembe kurega stage nene ya Bosongo yigotoka se county ya Kisii leterane ngoro kwa Daniel Ontiri.
Mbia mono omuri keito Daniel Ontiri asengenche gutwarekaniria orobotio ruo asenchira yoboikiranu kurende ekero totigarete asichisemi chinga kibono chiskuru chachaka koigorwa bene litukulia lero nigo chiskuru chinde chitachi koigorwa kubwatekana na makongu au chiskuru echo chiwetera eyemo yeskuru eyo neskuru ya Roromoru imeye county ya Baringo neye magega yeskuru eyo gotagorwa na abobisa abo bakagere koba abobisa belinani lituko lya Jumamosi kolengana na barabuo nigo bakorana goteba buna nigo eskuru eyo yabetege kwagachwa aselinani elyo elirigotebekana lire ase obolimo bwe serikali nonye nabo nigo abaibuli amo naborokia babete bakobwatwa no mondo komonene asekeri buna nigo chiskuru chabere chikoigorwa naborokiwa beskuru eyo tibabwati ase barachi gokorera amasomo abo
tuko mwaka mbili saa hii bila maneno na watu wengine melete saa hii. Sasa hii ni kazi gani? Tumefanya kazi ya bure kutengeneza amani area hii.
Hii sio shule peke yake. This is a polling station. Hii ni polling station imepigia mpaka president kura. Hii ni polling station imepigia mpaka MP kura. Hivi leo inasemekana labda imekaa kwa forest between shule na hizi vitu zingine zote. Nini ilikuja kwanza kama sio shule?
Wanafunzi wale tulikuwa nao walikuwa 85 wote. Kuna PP1 wanafunzi 32, alafu PP2 wanafunzi 26, alafu grade 1 wanafunzi ni 20, alafu grade 2 wanafunzi ni 9.
Na kama serikali wanakuja kupomoa, wanapeana notice kuambatana na sheria. Sasa hii wanakuja kupomoa usiku na kuiba vitu na kupasua vyakula, unapasua chakula na kumwaga.
Boigo ase orobotirunde chingaki obochori bwa baorokia bogendrete kobera ange mono nigo litukuria rero abo bonsi barigetie gochikurwanirira amabaga ao ase sekte yo baba bakwira masakarabo ase chabisi chia Kupet imeye county ya Nyamira. Executive Secretary Kupet imeye county eyo ya Nyamira oyo ogosoka maega yokubara abarimu asegeka kimyaka 25 Serieta Lewis Nyakweba nigo sensemo yaye abakawakira abarimu bonsi ingambya mono asengencho yo kumuchora na boigo komwalibaga kubara oroboti urwo nigo rwabaro kwariganirwa no murikito Polycarp Okara.
Ijinga kia matuka makati karite bosi wabochori na nene kubachora abateneri babarimu inse yekiombe kemanyakanite muna Kupet kurwase county ya Nyamira nigo abarwaneri ao banyariko bagwikia amasakarabo ase chiwa bisicho kiombe kegaime yomochuyo iga Onyamira.
Kupet power! Kupet power!
Baraneri abo bakweruka trio bakubatuka amasakarayo bosi bomorikyo munene bw'ikiombe kyo kurwase rusagiro iga Nyamira South Serieta Nyakweba Lewis
Digo na interene na trio iye koro kuna Egidio Sumo, Eriko na Emma. Na rituko ria rero twachire gaiga service chetu cha Kupet asengencho intunu negati ya baria bakorigyo borai wa Kupet.
Na magega yokubatuka amasakarabo gochase omorikyo munene oyo gosoka Serieta Lewis Nyakweba igo egati abo bagendere koba bakukanyanga baise gochorwa igo baratkunyara koba bakobeke serikali ase kibiro ili kurigiria nene emechando nabo igo ne churu bechagendere koba chikoletwa kubwatakanamo no molyo muyebwa masomo OCBE
na kero torigereti gabono amasomo ansire karikira mungu chenchiere twatware CBE na CBE ye ndoroche ne serikali negendrete gochenchia masomo na intuna abarimu egento togo sabana serikali enyare goturenia abarimu buya erinde abanafunzi abo bagocha ba grade 10 tonyare ko barisibe njerere ngia ekiagera ndorocha abarimu abayibori bakoraramika sana selection of schools nibwate changamoto sana njengo sabe serikali enyare korosi njire nyororo
kulingana mona baraboni go bagendere ko bakubude ngabaye gwamagoro anene gochoro kwa basena bigona abasubati unenjira ya moyo gutinya oburayo wiga wekiombe kia balimu ya Kupet.
Tasikia vizuri sana mkinipa nafasi hiyo kama mwana youth ambaye anaweza wasimamia na aswa kuwakilisha kiti kama wamama, pia tunafaa kuwakilisha katika women empowerment. Pia ningeomba sana to empower women in politics.
They should judge each of them based on the content of their character, not the clans where they come from.
Nigo boigo bagendere ko bakuburia na amagani ya balimu na boigo ne chiskuru zikonyara ko bachikurigirirwa amo ne serikali
boigo tubwatana asobwamo nto basa gutumia misingi ende bochora barai egeko gero borai bochorire ne misingi yo oborosobuya igo bokorosia oburayi bukobobuya abantu baikeranirwe kokorwe gasi korengana buna eganeirie
segenta kemo kiabo abari babere bakorera mono korosana sana sabari ba JSS igo batake autonomy na bonta ke togoterina kigima na gotebanga asikogenda guchimutwe. That is what we want to be addressed. Totagete abarimu batuare autonomy yabo sabari ba JSS.
Asinsemo ya Lewis Nyakweba yokorire gasije gayo boteneri nane buno murikyo munene bw'ikiombe kigase emyaka 25 igo agendere ko bagakoria iranga nari no kwigena ngabara tunyara ko bakoira ali bageri ko rwasale batunyara ko bagakora yabo bwikirano
nabonta tukwira ari bagwakira abari mu byamane kiagara abari mu kwari ba for 25 years non stop tari gento ke rais mono igo na maskani ya manene na inchi na bakorera gasiguya na inchi ndate gutiga bari nasomirie waragendera gukorera abari
Nyakweba boigo nigagendera ko bagakoboria serikali kunyara ko bagekurigirirya anene mechandiri abaibuli bagwetera chingaki chiga bakwira abana babo ase grade kiri 10 na bago kurigirira igoro y'omurubiri omuye bwa masomo elio abaibuli bukanyora omweso asagende kwa bagagotogia serikali ase okurigiriria na bago gusigasigera ingana yogonjirira chisukuru anene abana be grade kiri 10.
The ministry through the CS brother Migosi has given now direction na abaibuli na batoko genda chisukuru toboriri bagwetera somo whether as a principal school chinene senior school. Thereafter they can be able to join the names or the details with the online system.
Gingo ripoti gitaseni kia wanchete kia Gatembe kurugaiga imeye kaunti ya Nyamira inchego nkuru kwa Polycarp Okara.
Mbia mono ya beno murikito Polycarp Okara asengenche gutwariganiria orobotiuru kurende ekero tutigarite gabu ase Kupet chinga kiechecho nigo egati ya borokia anene kurwa ase e county ya Nandi babeire bakuboria register ya borokia ba Kupet enyare koba age kubekwa teneni bosi bwo bochori obwo korengana na barabwo nigo babeire bakorera na goteba buna register yo nigo eganeirie emetie nyebere bosio bwo bochori obwo.
We need to forge forward having a peaceful campaigns and elections so that we can have leaders who are going to present us in the next alignment. We have two issues that we need to discuss, very pertinent in the preparedness of the elections. Number one is the register. I would like to speak about this register, that the Constitution informs that we should have a register 60 days before elections. And up to now, Kupet Nandi teachers have not received the register. We want to tell the National Executive Board that the register should be availed as soon as possible for the members to know and to ascertain themselves that they are in the register. Especially the JS teachers who are still asking themselves whether they are in the register. These people should be able to confirm that they are in the register. And therefore, the National Executive Board should present this register as soon as possible. And if in case teachers present themselves on the voting day, and if you are not on the register, we would like to urge all teachers to come and vote, and we should have a mechanism of making sure that teachers not on the register and their Kupet members should be able to exercise their right of voting. No teacher should be turned away. No teacher should be denied to vote because their name is not on the register. It is not their mistake. It is the mistake of the office not to avail the register on time and not to capture these members. Therefore, I want to give a word to the national.
Mwanchumu ligereria ekero tuli no kwigena nga onsi ayu aborokia na boigo aborokiwa na boigo abaiboli bakubolia na chigwikirana eliko ene kinga chisemi inkoimukirwa chire imeyense ya Kenya kulende bono ekero tugutigana nayo na gusuka gucha soroboti ronde ruo gwichania anene kurwa ase county ya Nyamira. Abanyanyimbo begeta seni kia Nyamira nigo bachakiri obutuki ase ebikole bibere ebyamakweli yobututukanu ebi byakolekana imeye chinsemo au anene imeye sublocation ya Encholo ime ye location ya Busamaro masaba ebunge ya West Mugirango nigo emibere yabasacha abo babere yabage kuiro gwika ase enkendu yenyagitali ya Nyamira anene ekero obutuki bogendrete eliko enekia ningi kerirete ogosira kwabo ase ensemo entangani ase kenyorogi Enchoro ase Eliet asomusacho yomo ase Elieta Eric Omwenga niga bakagusira obugima bwaye ase chinchera chobotutukanu naboigo ase egekore kende ekyo gyakolekana ase kenyoroki Nyagenke ase omusacho yomo oyo omanyekanite muna Philip Ongisa abakagusiria obugima bwaye wetera ase okwerusya bomoyo wetera ase okonywa ensumu kolengana no sub county police commander Onyamira South ase Elieta Bernard Atesa nigo atebirubuna obutuki igoro ya makweli yo nigo bwachakire eliko ene kibuna bali bonsi gose erikoene kibuna nyagosira nkonyora bale obwene bwabo kubwatekana no gosira kwabo nabo igoni gaberega kubulia abantu bonsi gukwanira emechandeli bagwetera erikoene kibuna ebikole buna ebyo weita mbiri kogendera komentekana mono sechinsemo ao.
Today, the 5th of January 2021, we have had 2 unfortunate incidents of death within Bosomaro, Masaba location, Enjoro sublocation, and Nyangenge village, as well as Enjoro village. The first incident involved someone called Eric Mokaya Omwenga, 39 years old. The deceased had a court case at Nyamira Law Court, and he was to attend court today. According to the wife, in the morning he felt sick, and he requested a boda to take him to Oasis Hospital in Mosobeti for medical care. He was taken, and on the way, the deceased requested the boda rider to stop so that he may relieve himself. Unfortunately, after relieving himself, he collapsed and died. The second incident involved somebody called Philip Ongisa Onguko, aged around 41 years, of Nyangenge village. The officers also attended the scene, and it was established that he had taken poison. Both bodies are now reserved at the Nyamira Referral Hospital, awaiting postmortem and further investigation. I wish to advise members of the public, even if they have problems, at least let them consult or talk to each other so that such incidents do not happen again. Of course, I'm aware there are illicit brews within Nyamira sub-county, especially Enjoro sub-location. We warn members of the public not to take these illicit brews and second-generation brews because they are harmful to their health. Meanwhile, we shall intensify our raids so that we eliminate that menace within that area.
Mwanchumo ligereria oroboti urukuru ase county ya Nyamira ururwabo rukwariganirwa n'umuriketo Fatgad Gesemba notogwikira omwelio asensementangani eye keunga chinsa ibere tomnyoke aso mutimo komoke kolende to kwirana ningendere kumanya mange buna agendrete gokorekana kurwa chinsemo ao tubase gusukale asenge nchonkwirana tole ase kagitali getambe.
Sukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering ngwegeri bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering, engineering na wigo water engineering ase ensemo ya computing and informatics ngwigedi bali ICT operator, ICT technician, computer packages, cyber security na wigo na network system administration ase ensemo ya electrical and electronic engineering ngwigedi bali electrical installation na wigo electrical engineering ase ensemo ya cosmetology ngwigedi bali hairdressing wigo mbabwate fashion design ase hospitality and tourism ngwigedi bali food production yani cookery na wigo food and beverage production.
Asa Maria Ngorogu James Barari Nyakundi, a principal ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College, eye gotoka Alimongoni, Kitutu Masaba North Sub-County, Kitutu Masaba Constituency, Nyamira County. Abana baino bali ba college school cha class 8 gose form 4 batagiye universities. Acha teyo babere isiko ekiagara boniga se Kitutu Masaba ntobwate chikose zichene kono cy'ububundi cyonsi. Abana ngwakana bali kibese ne serikali wetera the government scholarship nkwaye bali chiloni cyogo soma wetera help higher education loans board ne kibese cyo mwana nkwaye wale kiri kitokoroka out of pocket ekyo mwana gotumia ko menye school uburendagera na gwakane se nyomba komenya egento kende abana nkwaye bali chi constituency bursaries and even county government bursaries ekyo applications chirororo naba bunge unabono mu bungo Kitutu Masaba constituency bwana honorable Clive Gisairo we are committed sana aso go support abana bagocha Kitutu Masaba egende Tanganyika tabiri ngo mwana ndo kwense gocha Kitutu Masaba we kawe bursary in full inta abana baito January intake negendereta abana bali bako school January mwakaribishwe ndogendereta na intake na applications inchigendereta
asamange nabo okubatalira ase skuri yiga kose obakirisi migutara sikiramba cyabo 0743480999 kose 0782490068.
Welcome to Elimu Academy, a modern school committed to offering the best education for every learner. We are CBC compliant and provide junior secondary education, ensuring a seamless academic journey for your child. We provide excellence in every detail, a modern, spacious library, fully equipped for every learner, a state-of-the-art science laboratory and a modern computer lab, perfect for hands-on, practical learning, spacious, modern classrooms for comfort and focus, top qualified teachers certified by the Ministry of Education. In the latest Kenya National Council for Examinations KJSEA results, Elimu Academy recorded outstanding performance. Out of 48 candidates, 29 exceeded expectations, 17 met expectations, and only 2 approached expectations. Most impressively, 32 learners successfully transitioned to C1 secondary schools, a true reflection of strong academic foundation and consistent excellence. The 2026 intake and admissions are ongoing. Hurry and secure space for your child today. Located 2 kilometers from Kisii town along the Kisii-Keroka Highway. Call us on 0741 562 931 or 0780 894 411. Elimu Academy, educating for eternity.
Biamana sana mwanchumo ligereria nande karibu senseme yega ya kabere eye keunga chinsa ibere. Sensemo ya kabere ni gotogo chaka noroboti kurwa ase ekiamagia ODM ase ababunge ebe kiamekyo abo balenge kola wanere Otiende Amolo nigo baganiri umuraibu ekiamekyo oyuole Daktari Oburu Odinga kwarigania ege ikaro kia bwangomono eli kumanya na boigo gukwanira emechando eyuerengete ase kiamekyo eye magega ya barai au anene kurwa ase kiamekyo kororekana bakuruterana amangana au ase mitandao naboigo asa matanga.
Being members of parliament, elected and nominated under the Orange Democratic Movement, ODM party, wish to state as follows. Number one, we continue to mourn the passing of our party leader, the Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, who passed on about 2 months ago. We know that his death impacted us gravely, but we still soldier on, holding on to the principle that he taught us over the years and that he exemplified in his life, including the principles of inclusion, tolerance, democracy, and unity. 2, we are deeply concerned with the emerging and escalating national rhetoric, degenerating into violence and intolerance, as was recently witnessed in Murang'a, where the Lamu County Women Representative, Honorable Muthoni Marubu, was physically attacked for expressing her opinion on the 2027 presidential contest. We have also been informed of an incident where Kileleshwa MCA Robert Alai is alleged to have attacked and threatened to shoot Embakasi East MP Honorable Babu Owino due to different political views. These incidents follow hot on the heels of the violence that was witnessed in the recent by-elections, especially in Kasipul constituency, where unfortunately 2 people were killed. Unless urgent action is taken to stem this emerging and unfortunate incident, 2027 will be rocked by untold violence that is likely to undermine free and fair elections. 3, ODM is the largest party in the country. We are further concerned by the spectacle of self-cannibalization that has been exhibited of late in our party. It is testament to how much we miss the wisdom and iconic leadership of our departed leader, Right Honorable Raila Odinga, that divisive rhetoric has taken over our politics without restraint. We call upon the party's elected leadership and the wider membership to uphold the tenets of unity and camaraderie espoused by the late Raila Odinga. It is time to walk back on the rhetoric and come together to build a strong party ahead of next year's general elections. Given the positions of trust bestowed on them, we urge the party officials, including Secretary General Senator Edwin Sifuna and the National Assembly Minority Leader, Honorable Junaid Mohammed, to desist from public verbal slurs and return to the table for internal discussions. We encourage the party leader to call for an internal spitting session to avoid the ongoing mudfest. Number 4, even as we appear to self-cannibalize, we can't help but curiously observe that small parties are aggressively and strategically moving to occupy the spaces previously held by our beloved ODM party. It is for this reason that we request our party leader, Senator Dr. Oburu Oginga, to move with speed, convene the party's organs, and help restore public confidence in the party before we begin to hemorrhage members to insignificant.
Ekero tugutigana na roboti urukurwa ase kiama gia ODM na gosoa ase sekta ya machi. Omuwaziri ebwa machi omusike Eric Muga nigo abeiriga koene kibuna serikali eyo ekorawunere Daktari William Ruto nigo ebegete meroberio emenene inse ye wizari eyo ya machi. Asinse muyende nigo abeiriga kobolia okubwaterana konyare kobago koene kiwa eriko ene kibuna sekta ya machi inkonyare ko bakegwikirana aboikirano.
To fast track the Horn of Africa project, that is the program that we are doing schemes in the Mandera, Wajir, Turkana, Samburu, the counties that border Somalia and Ethiopia. This is a cross-country program. The Horn of Africa groundwater and resilience program. Some have started, and we are finalizing a contract for other counties. We are keen to actually fast track that. We are keen to progress the irrigation agenda, put more acres under irrigation, because the future now is irrigation, more so smart irrigation. And all this cannot happen without your support. So to our development partners, to our colleagues, the staff at the ministry, the county government, because what is a devolved function, we look forward to a very, very cooperative framework and a very, very supportive year.
Naboigo omonogeri bwe bunge nene Musike Moses Masika Wetangura nigo aberega koene kibuna nigo arachigosira basaye anene korwa ase county ya Bungoma ekiraringe gukwana korwa ase county yo Musike Wetangula nigo aberega koene kibuna nigo arachikobeka naboigo korosia ekegancha ekyo kirachigosira chitalanta amonebyewa au
I say this to several audiences this December. Huko nje kuna Wakenya wengi sana wanaenda kufanya kazi. Ukienda Dubai kwenye tuko na vijana yetu Kenya Ngaka kama balozi, kuna Wakenya 120 wanafanya kazi. Ukienda Qatar kuna Wakenya zaidi ya 85 na tayari wamepatia Kenya another 8,500 visas kwenda huko. Nataka kuomba vijana, mimi niwaletea ofisi ya passport iko hapa nje. 2 weeks uko nayo mkononi. Nataka muangalie kwa mitandao ya serikali inaitwa Kazi Majuu. Ukienda huko nje, hata kama huna degree, mshahara 250,000, unapewa nyumba, unapewa chakula, unapewa matibabu, kila mwaka unapewa tiketi ya kurudi nyumbani. Hiyo ndio asilimia kama vile rapa, hawa watoto wa mabeka, hawa vijana wa kuchekesha, kila kitu. It has its own talent, its own niche. Senator, we shall nurture all these young people. Tutawasaidia. Nimesikia ile mmesema we need space. Hii ni shule tunaweza kufungiwa wakati tunataka kuja. Tuko na nafasi mingi. Hata kwa ile stadium nimejenga Kandui, it has plenty of land. We can put space there. Kama katika budget ijayo nitahakikisha seneta wenu atanifuatilia niweke shilingi milioni 50 tuanze kujenga a talent center, tuwajengee theater, tuwawekee nafasi ya kucheza, nafasi ya kudevelop. Seneta wewe with you to Kwale. You saw former governor of Kwale Mvurya. He built a complete state-of-the-art studio in Kwale. Kama wewe ni msanii, unataka kuimba, una practice, unajitayarisha, unaingia kwa studio ya
Wanchumo ligereria kurugabo ase county ya Bungoma no toko yake musumari eke unga chensa ibere ngwakire mbia mono ya bene ase ngencho yo wancha kuligereria na boigo gotengera Getembe TV eke unga chensa ibere tobasa guskare ege kogera nkwirana tolige kuraga chensa inye elitogendere kwimanya mange ayu agendrete gokorekana kurwa chinsemo nigo tobere tukubwaterana nera Wilson Makori asensemo yebimanyererio na boigo korumega yechi kamera nigo twabere nere DJ Hudson elikoene kinga amariogi ne chibichago ikire asenchira yoboikeranu nchani gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto tuomeranege koraga chinsa inye eli twemanya mange una agendrete gokorekana